Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how can we use intent to send a value from one activity to another activity. So in the previous video, we have seen how can we navigate from one activity to another activity using the intent. So let's go to the second activity, text tab, and draw a text view. Okay, now in the first one, also I'm going to add from the text plain text. Okay, now let's remove the text, and in the hint I'm going to add enter your name, for example. So in this example, I'm going to send a value from the plain text of the first activity to the text view in the second view. So if the user enter his name, for example here, Yazan, and click on the button go, in the second activity, or on the text view, it will be written as welcome and Yazan. So let's start. Here, in the previous video, we have used this object to navigate from one activity to another one. So how can we use the intent object to send value to the second activity? Just write I dot put extra name, comma, then edit text dot toString. So here in this example, I've defined a variable called name, and the value of this variable will be the value of the edit text. So anything you have written in the edit text will be stored in the variable name and will be sent to the second activity. So this is how can we send a value from the first activity to the second activity. Now, in the second ACT, how can we receive this value? Here, we have a default variable or default built-in object called intent. So we can write something like intent dot get string extra name. This means receive the variable name in the second activity. Now, how can we print this in the text view? Text view dot text equal welcome plus intent dot get string extra name. So the output will be welcome plus the name you have entered in the first activity. Let's try this example. Okay, it will start installing this app on the emulator now. Okay, let's try, for example, Duyazan. Here, okay, Dhoyazan, for example. Now, click on go. Yes, as you see here, welcome Duyazan. So, in this video, we have talked about how can we send the value from one activity to another activity using the intent class. See you next video.